Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add a new page in your cart website. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, first of all, open up your website editor. Now over here, if you want to add a new page, just click on this plus icon and click on control. And here you can see a new section has been added. Now after this section, below this section, everything will be on the next page. So I'm going to name this section as next page. Alright, so after that we will add a button, and this button will help us to move to the next page. I'm going to do a little rearranging and some adjustment. Alright, so the key here is that now in the URL you have to write hashtag new page so that it will help you to move to the next page. And after that, in here, on the next page, I'm gonna add a container and I'm gonna split it into two parts. So I'm gonna add a picture and a text. Alright, so we have done. Now just add another button which helps us to move to the home page. So I'm gonna add a new button in here and we'll change its URL to home and we'll label it as back. And our website is ready. Now I'm gonna publish it. And right here you can see if I click on view site, this is our main page, and if I press next page, it will take me to this page, and if I click on back, I will get back into the home page. So guys, this is basically how you can add a new page in your cart website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.